Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve too many attempts. Try again later on Discord. To know how to fix or how to solve too many attempts, try again later on Discord app. You should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to Discord app. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.